My name is Nestor Tourloukis. I'm originally from Athens, Greece. I came to China for the first time in 2015. So I've been here for approximately 8 years in Zhongshan, doing the lighting business. Our factory produces all sorts of decorative lighting, both indoor and outdoor decorative lighting. So now we are extending our integrated LED range every week, every month. We have new products all focusing on the decorative LED range. As the technology improves, we can use this technology in a decorative way to offer innovative solutions. We have customers all over the world. We have customers in Europe, in North America, in South America, and in Africa. I think that there's still a lot of opportunity in China, in a way that I don't think it's, the opportunity to grow here is much larger than in other areas. So I still think there's a lot of potential for growth, and I think it's a very good place to base your business. I like Zhongshan very much. I think it's a very good city for living in and for making a family. So I met my wife here approximately 5 years ago. She's a very beautiful Hunan woman. We have a baby daughter now. She is 4.5 months old. So I'm very, very happy to start my family here with my wife. And as I've met more people, I have found that there's a very big community of foreigners and Chinese people. And now I have many friends and many contacts. I'm still practicing my Mandarin and trying to speak more and more. My dream for my business in the lighting industry is to continue to grow, to continue to innovate and offer useful products that people can enjoy and use in their everyday life. So over the next 10 years, I see that the environment is going to continue to develop into a much more competitive environment. Many manufacturers will all be competing for the same segment. So this means that we need to constantly be innovating and constantly be developing so that we can keep to stay competitive in the market.